I've been looking for just a travel coffee press type thing. And I was gonna do just the, what do you call it, like the glass press, but I didn't want to travel with anything glass. So I figured I'd try this. I saw a couple posts about them, and then I read their blog and their website. I'm like, okay, let me try it. I've been liking it. I'm gonna show you how I use it, and I think you should get it if you're traveling a lot. You love your coffee, you're moving around, and you want just something so light. It's like ridiculously light, easy to pack, no muss, no fuss. Because I never use coffee maker in like hotels and stuff. I don't. So this would be a good choice if you're trying to get something it's not too crazy. It also comes with these. I just keep them right here because it's easier in the morning for me instead of going into a jar. Yeah, I'm that lazy. But anyway, it comes with this scoop. This is the top. I'm going to put on and show you. This is like a mixer and then some little paper filters. They do have the stainless steel type mesh filter that you can use that's reusable. I'm going to get one of those before I leave since I'm going to be finished with the paper filters and I doubt I'll be able to find them overseas. You guys, have I talked to you about how my mom is a craft crazy Jamaican? She made these, so I'm going to show you some of the things that she made. So this is a snowflake that she made out of paper, just regular old. Some are stock paper, and I think some are a little bit lighter. She just uses what she has, but mostly from Dollar Tree and Walmart. She gets some stuff off Amazon too. But look at this. Yeah, she made that. And she made that. That's all you're gonna hear me saying. She made that. This is not Christmas, but she makes stuff for all time of the year. It don't matter. And if you want anything printed, like t-shirts, coats, whatever, like these wall clings, my dad makes these. Yeah, he made that. So she made that. She made that. Yeah, literally out of frames. I think these were from the Dollar Tree. And then those, the flower in the middle, those are spoons. You guys, she is such a crafty little Jamaican. And she made these. This flower, she just made these for Christmas this year. Yep, she made them and she spray painted them because she couldn't find, the color paper that she wanted. And then she wanted a lighter gold, but that's what she had in her garage. So that's what she used. She made these too. Yes, she made them. Like all of these. And then this was another snowflake thing that she just made, or a ornament ball something. Yeah, she made that one for Christmas, and then this one for Christmas just now. And she stayed up in the middle of the night, you guys. She's making these. I'll hear rustling outside in the living room, and it's this lady. Okay, and she made that one, this angel. She like literally draws them, then cuts them. This is just one of the trees that she made. She literally made this too. She's not buying stuff. She's not buying things. Let me show you something else too. This, she made this. Okay, so you know you have the regular light or whatever you put the light that's in the ceiling when you buy the house or you get a house, whatever. That's there. That silver in between, she put that there. The band across right here, she put that. And then these, she put those one at a time. She stringed them up, and now she has a beautiful chandelier light. She made that. Oh my gosh. What else? Look, I'm not even good. Oh yeah, let me just go right here because she has way too much stuff that she made. I can't even take you to all of them. This she made. And these are all out of just, you know, different pieces from, like I said, Dollar Tree, Walmart, Amazon. That's pretty much where she shops. And then she made this one. This one isn't for Christmas, just see year round. She made that. And then this is just parked here for now because she moved it from where it was to put the Christmas thing. Oh, I didn't even show you that. I'm going to show you that. But she made these. That literally, this is paper. And then she did some stuff. And it's very, like, I'm not going to break it, but it's stiff. So she made that. All those. Put around the house. Another Christmas tree she made. Another one of those she made. That one she made and my dad print the thing inside. Let me see if I can. And then she's changing Christmas. Yeah, my dad made that in there because they're Seventh-day Adventists. So you'll see a lot of Lords over here. A lot of Lord and Jesus. Yeah, so my dad made that and then she did all the decoration, like the silver. So you can see she's like all into this bling bling. And then yeah, this is the one that she made too. She made these just now and she spray painted it with those. These are just paper flowers. She just cut them, put them together, spray paint them. And then these are older. She's had them for a while, but these two, she made these literally out of paper and spray paint. And then this is the entryway. Ugh, I'm like, ooh, let me come out of the frame because I'm looking a hot mess over here. But this she made. So it's like a, you know, sun. This mirror here, she bought the mirror and then she did all that. That she made. Yep, all these flowers she made. Okay, she didn't make the Christmas tree. This she made, it's paper flowers again. And that one is older, but yeah. This is my mom, like this is what she sits into, okay? And she's working on this one for the centerpiece for the dining table. She didn't make the flowers. She got the flowers and then she put, you know, the little foam thing that you use for decorating and stuff. She wrapped it in foil paper and then she just stick the flowers in how she wants it. So she's getting this nice look there. And then I guess she's going to put this in there or she's going to change, I don't know. And then maybe like I think she said something about it. She has a candle and a lampshade that she's gonna put. So then you have this little concoction here. Like, look, how cute is this? And then this is like a dish, just a silver dish type thing. She put everything in. So cool. Okay, I forgot about this one in the kitchen. She made this too, but she didn't finish it. So, you know, one of those projects that it just sits there. And these, I don't remember what she said these were, but they weren't meant for these. But she made them for it. So she put that band around the edge again. And then these little things dropping like a chandelier. Yeah, she strung up all of these one by one. And if you look closely, like really, really closely, you can see there's paper clips. These ones, like hanging thing, whatever those are. Oh, and this, you guys, her clock, she made this. She got the forks and spoons and whatever from wherever, Dollar Tree, Fakes, I don't even know. But she got the stuff, put it together, made that. Oh my god, oh this. And it's falling apart a little bit because this one fell out. So she's gonna redo it. These are just some plates from Walmart. Like some serving dish type things. And then I don't even know how she come up with these things, you guys. I told her she needs a YouTube channel to put all this. Don't mind the fall, because she's decorating for Christmas. She just hasn't gotten over to this side because she ordered the curtains from Amazon. They're not here yet. I love my mom. She is something else. And then, oh yeah, this one, my dad did that too. We give you thanks, Lord. He did that print. Oh yeah, this one was one of the other ones she made. She didn't put the clock in this one, you guys. She's a mess. So it's always L time. And then she just used forks from, but you know, the forks and utensils I used to eat. Yeah. Love you, Mom. You're cray cray, but I love you. Somehow